Wakey wakey, eggs and bacon. Put it into the hot hamburger oil with some spices for extra flavor. It's gonna be so delicious. It has Plov spice in it. Yeah, let's do 4 pieces. Look at that, beautiful. You see those things there? I added some ginger root for extra health and extra flavor. So delicious. Fried ginger, actually really good. Let's flip the bacon nicely. Oh my god, I'm salivating. Look at that. Let's add 3 eggs. 1, 2, and 1 more egg. 3. Beautiful. Look at that. So good. There's a little bit of salt on top. Cover with lid, turn off the heat, and let it cook itself. Let's see. So perfect. Look at these sunny side up eggs, not overcooked, with runny yolks. So you can just, man, so good. I'm salivating. Look at those runny yolks. Yeah, you can dip your bacon and bread in them. So steamy, tasty, and delicious. I love it. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.